Your Google Ads account can look healthy and still be leaking. Most people never see the score. They just keep feeding smart bidding a broken story. Step 1. Open Buddy. Same agent on the web and on iPhone. Connect the Google Ads account that is actually spending, not a sandbox, the live one. Step 2. Ask in plain English. Run the 250-point audit. You do not need a prompt library. Say it like you would say it to a media buyer sitting next to you. Step 3. Read the score before you touch a bid. This account came back 86 out of 100. 3 criticals. That number is not a grade for your ego. It is a punch list. Why this order? If you change bids first, you are optimizing to a lie. The audit tells you what is broken. The score tells you how bad. The top critical tells you what to do today. Here is the first critical. The campaign is on maximize clicks, and someone typed a $45 CPA goal next to it. Those two things do not go together. Maximize clicks buys clicks. It will not protect your CPA. Switch that campaign to target CPA, then leave it alone long enough to learn. Step 4. Add the negatives Buddy listed. Search terms that can never convert. This is the free cleanup. Do it before you raise budget, or you are buying more of the same waste. That is the audit. Score, top fix, negatives. The full walkthrough is on Ahmeego.com. Buddy by Ahmeego, a company of It All Started with an Idea.